In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy an image from Google Sheets. Whether you're working on a collaborative project or simply trying to organize your files more efficiently, being able to manipulate images within Google Sheets can add a new layer of creativity and functionality to your spreadsheets. To start off, you'll need to open your Google Sheet. If you haven't navigated to Google Sheets yet, go ahead and do so. Open up the document that contains the image you'd like to copy. Once your Google Sheet is up and running, you'll see a grid filled with cells and, somewhere on the sheet, the image you want to work with. Next, locate the image in your document. It should be somewhere on your sheet where you've previously inserted it. Hover over the image with your mouse and give it a click. This ensures that the image is selected and ready to be copied. Selecting the image is the first crucial step because it allows you to use keyboard shortcuts effectively to manipulate it. Now that your image is selected, let's copy it. Using your keyboard, press the keys Ctrl and C simultaneously. On a Mac, you might need to use Command instead of Ctrl. This is a universal shortcut for copying any selected item, including images, texts, and files. When you use this shortcut, the selected image is stored in your clipboard, ready to be pasted wherever you choose. After you've copied the image, the next thing you'll need to do is decide where you want to paste it. Click on a cell of your choosing, which serves as the anchor point for where your image will appear. You might want to select a cell that's in a prominent place on your sheet for easier visibility. Clicking a cell ensures that when you paste the image, Google Sheets knows exactly where you want it to go. With your chosen cell selected, it's time to paste the image. Again, using your keyboard, press Ctrl and V together. This is a shortcut for pasting, and it will paste the image that you previously copied from your clipboard. You should see the image appear more or less instantaneously in the selected cell. On a Mac, you'll want to use Command and V instead. And there you have it. You've successfully copied and pasted an image within Google Sheets. This can be handy for duplicating graphics, creating visually appealing reports, or moving images between different documents. Remember, mastering these simple shortcuts can save you a ton of time and make your spreadsheet work much more efficient. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.